Good morning, and welcome to another year at WJCA. My name is Danica Hogan.
And I'm Addie Allen. This week, Danica had a chance to visit Miss Farias' class. They had a theology party. Let's check it out.
I'm Danica Hogan, and who do I have here today?
Sophia Sinley, Morgan Callan, Maya Carmona.
And what are you guys doing in theology today?
A party. Basically a party because of two saints being canonized.
Yeah, celebrating the saints.
Okay, thank you. Who am I here with today?
Savannah Taylor.
And Sophia Heffernan.
How are you liking the party so far?
It's awesome.
Pretty cool.
Did you learn anything so far?
Be kind.
We learned about canonization of saints.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Mrs. Farias.
So why are you having the party today?
So I really just wanted to have a good time celebrating these two young saints in our church. And it's just really exciting because they are, first Carlo Acutis and Pier Giorgio Frassati, both from Italy. They were 15 and 24 when they died. And they lived really holy lives, just being an example of love, loving God and loving others. And I just want my students to get excited about it and know who they are so they can, kind of live their lives in virtue just as they did.
Thank you. I appreciate you doing this. It was great seeing interesting things they are doing in this freshman theology class. Next up, Munday met with Miss Szynal to talk about the opportunity with Miracle League. Let's hear about it.
All right, I'm at Munday. I'm here with Miss Szynal, and she's going to tell us a little bit about Miracle League.
Hi, I am Ms. Szynal, and I'm the Executive Student Council Moderator. And this year we're partnering with the Drama Club, which I also moderate, to host a Miracle League Day on September 20th. Miracle League is a nonprofit organization that helps children and adults with intellectual and physical disabilities play baseball in a safe and supportive environment. They do it at the Slammer Stadium here in Joliet, and they do it every many Saturdays throughout the fall. And we are having a JCA day on September 20th. There are 6 games that students can help assist and act as buddies or a cheer section. A buddy is a volunteer that accompanies somebody that's on the team. They help the person bat, run the bases, catch the ball, and basically play a very fun game of baseball. The games are going to run from 8:15 in the morning through 3 p.m. You can earn service hours by helping join that day. You can do just one game or you can do the entire day, but the whole purpose is to help support this organization, continue to foster an amazing community for these individuals. In the past, we have participated. Once COVID hit, we haven't gotten out and done a Miracle League Day, so this is the first year we're bringing it back, and we want to have a good showing. They're more than just a nonprofit. It's about building a community and a family within Joliet, and that's what JCA is all about. So it'd be really great to have a great showing from Angels and Hillman, and join the Drama Club and Student Council as we go and help with this an amazing event.
That sounds like a great opportunity. Next up, Emma met with Stephen Rorick about the gardening club. This is a newer club at JCA. Let's take a look.
Okay, who am I here with today?
My name is Stephen Rorick. I'm the president of the gardening club.
My name is Reese Moores, and I am the vice president.
Okay, what made you want to do gardening club?
At home, I really enjoy playing vegetable gardens, always doing the yard work, and I just thought it'd be a fun way to do that for the school.
I also have my own garden at home, and I spend a lot of my time out there, so I'm super excited to join this club.
Okay, and then have you always been interested in gardening?
Yeah, when I was younger, I always was helping my mom plant our vegetable garden, and as I grew older, I kind of took it over myself. So.
Honestly, I kind of just started gardening in the past few years, but I really like to cook, so when I get my own vegetables, I like to make stuff with them.
Okay, Stephen, can you explain what this is right here?
This is our native pollinator garden. It has all sorts of species of wildflowers and wild grasses, black-eyed Susan, milkweed, purple cornflower. It's to help with the preservation for pollinators such as monarchs, which exclusively feed on the milkweed, and also helps to beautify our school a little bit with extra colors.
Thank you. And then, Reese, what is our plans in the future for gardening club?
So we did this over last spring, and then over the summer we had a lot of people come volunteer and help build some of the beds, and we're actually starting our own garden. and we just planted some seeds for some vegetables. So over the winter and next spring, we're going to have a lot of vegetables growing at JCA, and I think it's just really making our school a lot more pretty.
That's all we have this week. Don't forget to support your home and soccer team and their tournament this weekend. Good luck to the rest of the sports this weekend too.
We'll be back on Tuesday with another broadcast.
Thanks for watching.
Go Hill!
For more information, please visit our website.